Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the compilers as well as discuss about the creating, compiling and execution a program. Okay, so what is in my compiler? Compiler is a program. It translates source code from high level language into low level language, and compiler translates the entire program at once. Most of the languages uses compiler. So compiled programs run faster. Remember, the main purpose of this compiler is it is used to translate a program, a code from high level language into low level language. So this is also called as a machine level language. So the main purpose of compiler is used to convert the program into machine code. Okay. Then remember it runs very faster. So program will compile very faster using compiler. Next one, what we have creating and compiling and executing a program. Computer understands computer understands machine language. To run a program into machine language, four steps are there. Okay. So what is the first step we have? Writing and editing program. Second one is compiling the program. Third one is linking the program with required modules. Fourth one is a executing program. Now you can see a beautiful diagram for this one. Now, what is the first one? Text editor. Second one, compiler. Third one, linker. Fourth one, runner. Remember? So in the text editor, we will write the program. In the text editor, we will write the program. In the compiler, after compilation of the program, after returning the program will be compiled, okay, and it will be converted as object code. Object code. So later on, the responsibility of compiler, linker, it will link the whatever the required modules that will be linked by using linker, and it will be converted into again executable code, and runner will take the code from the executable code and it will give the output. Remember, so when the compilation process is there, it requires four modules. First one is text editor, second one is compiler, and third one is linker, fourth one is the runner. So text editor will take the source program and compiler will generate, this is called as object code, and linker, this is for executable code, and finally it runner, it will give the output, this is called as a actual output result. So here this is called as a building of a C program. So in order to build a C program, we required four number of steps. So this is called as compiling and running the program. Now we'll see what is meant by writing and editing the program. C program or file or source code, enter the through text editor. File is stored in the disk with the extension of .c. Remember, after returning the program, you must use the .c extension. Okay. So writing and editing the program through the editor. After write the program, translate into machine language. So after the completion of the program, you can see with .c. So how to save the file? .c. Second one, compilation of the program. So in order to compilation, compiled is a special program. It translates source code into object code, and the compiler generates the syntax errors from the source code. So if at all is there any errors that will be generated by using compiler. Okay. So error-free source code is translated into object code and stored in the separate file with the extension called as a .obj. Okay. So next one, third one, what we have? Linker. So the linker links the program object code and library functions. So remember, when the compilation is going on, whenever the library functions required, that will be linked by using linker. Okay. After this phase, the program will be executed. So next one, what we have? Execution of the program. So object code is loaded into memory, then execution begins. Errors are occurred during execution phase. Even though compilation is successful, that errors are runtime errors. So this is called as a divide by zero. Logical errors. So after execution, program is removed from the memory. So basically these are four steps when we compilation of the C program. So first one is you must write the code, writing and editing the program. Second one is compilation of the program. In this, errors will be generated. Third one, linking of the program. In the linking of the program, whatever the functions required, whatever the library functions required, that will be linked by using linker. Finally, it will give the output. When the program is successful, it will give the perfect output. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all.